Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Knack to set up import-export pipelines, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To get started with configuring Knack for import-export pipelines, first, log in to your Knack account. Once logged in, navigate to the appropriate application where you want to set up the pipelines. Click on the Data tab located in the main navigation bar. In the Data section, select the object you wish to work with for your import-export process. After selecting the object, find and click on the Import button. You will see a prompt to upload a CSV file for import. Prepare your CSV file according to the specifications provided in Knack's documentation. Once your CSV file is ready, drag and drop it into the upload area or click to browse your files. After the file is uploaded, map the fields from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Knack. Ensure that all required fields are correctly mapped to avoid errors during import. Review your field mappings and click on the Import button to begin the process. After the import is complete, verify that the data has populated correctly in your application. Next, to set up an export pipeline, return to the Data section and select the same object. Click on the Export button located in the Object settings. Choose the format you want for your exported data, typically CSV or Excel. Customize any filters or criteria to determine which records to export. Once you've configured your export settings, click on the Export button to download your data. After downloading, review the exported file to ensure it meets your requirements. You have now successfully configured import and export pipelines in Knack. Explore additional features and functionalities to maximize your data management capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.